Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand the evolution of high-level language. As we understood in a previous video, microprocessor understand a language which is machine-level language. If you didn't watch, there is I button. You can go over there and you can watch that video. So my friend, a long back during 1940s, there were programmer. If programmer want to give instruction to machine, so they have to speak to that machine. For example, if I will ask you, bring me the pen. So what I am doing, my friend, I am giving you instruction by using language. Similarly, if programmers set and write a code to perform such type of task like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, so they have to speak to that machine by using language. So for that, in 1940s, they would use a language which was a machine level language, because microprocessor understand the language which is machine level language. So program for a first computer was not simple task for programmer, because they have to remember the combination of zeros and one. Then approach was decided in the years of 1950s. They thought instead of using long sequence of zeros and one, a single reference can be given. For that, they came up with a language which is assembly level language. So as you can see, instead of using zeros and one, they started using a word to perform such type of task like addition, subtraction, etc. So my friend, if this assembly level language I will give to a microprocessor, so it will give us output. Think and answer. Definitely not, because microprocessor understand a language which is machine level language, and this is not a machine level language. This is a assembly level language. So how it can give us output? For that, conversion must be happen between. So there is a software which is a assembler. Assembler is a software which take assembly level language as an input and convert into machine level language, and this machine level language is given to a microprocessor, and microprocessor give output. Then in the years of 1960, they came up with a new language which was a high level language. It's a human readable language, a human can easily understand. As you can see, they started using symbol instead of using word. So again, I'm asking my friend, if this symbol I will give to a microprocessor, so it will give output. Absolutely not, because this is not a machine level language, and microprocessor understand a language which is machine level language. So for that, conversion must be happen between. So there is software which is compiler. Compiler is a software which take high level language as an input and convert into machine level language, and this machine level language given to a microprocessor, and microprocessor give output. That is all about evolution of high level language. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.